A manicure on a construction worker. Let's roll out! What it do, baby boo? Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Shavana. I am a nail technician. Today we're going to be working on a construction worker who's working all day and going home and working on their vehicles on their free time. So these hands are just put through the ringer. These puppies are in need of some TLC, so that's what we're going to do for them today. And this client has atopic dermatitis, so we're going to be super gentle about things, and we're going to be doing a electric file manicure because that's the version that I prefer to do, especially with sensitive clients. So let's get started. Before I let you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want some more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, know who it is. This is what I do when it does. Everybody telling me to stop it without a fucking buzz. I did it laying, yo, when I give a fuck about these kids. Place pushed, yup, and now I know I work for the biz. You know what that do? You motherfuckers try to come up, but you ain't got through. You pathetic, and I know that I write it down poetic. Ain't nothing but the flow, dog, I sped it. Spend it, motherfucker, like my money. Sitting here talking, yo, it ain't that funny. So I pick up the grits, yup, out of the gravy. You motherfuckers tell me, yo, but they can't behave. These freeze that I be speaking out my nose. Give a fuck, yup, I take down a couple notes. These are books and it takes me way above my head. My head is fucked up, dog, that's bread that I gotta make, and I pull it out. Give a fuck about y'all shouting with your clout. And I'm slick now, dog, and I could spit. For every time that I get it, yo, I write the script. Flame kid in the spiral. You motherfuckers thinking that I'm writing down a high road. I'm smoking hydro and that's my road. Every time I did it, yo, it's out of control. Dirt in the bugs, so we'll bury it like a secret. You know, in the woods, dog, that's where we keep it. I gotta keep it like a show, like an odd child. You motherfuckers got it in your mind, but it's wild. I know I go, that's how I roll. Fuck off and go, that is just what I know. I know I roll that old hydro. They tell me no, but I know that I love it. I know I roll, fuck off and go, that's what I know. I know that I just roll hydro. They tell me no, but I just love it. You know I get high, and then I get way above it. I got the game constricting, yo, it ain't no breeze. Give a fuck about y'all looking at me like Christmas Eve. How I write my gifts, let them rap. You motherfuckers thinking that I did it, but I got the knack. Yeah, thrift, I became from all y'all. Know that I work from the slums, then I ball y'all. Then I gotta scrape up the money, yo, enough crumbs to know that I gotta pay off the plums. Work of the devil and it's up in my tummy, in my head, yeah. And it might not be funny, it might be worse, and I still dread the next day. Every time it comes, motherfucker, if you test me. Yeah, I'm down for the bacon, making the bus. Y'all telling me that I don't give no fucks, but I'm just sitting here trying to cause the ruckus, even though I'm acting like the toughest. I know I go, that's how I roll. Fuck off and go, that is just what I know. I know I roll that old hydro. They tell me no, but I know that I love it. I know I roll, fuck off and go, that's what I know. I know that I just roll hydro. They tell me no, but I just love it. You know I get high, and then I get way above it. Yeah, I'm a motherfuckers know who it is, REM. August 26th. Yeah. 2019. I always forget. It's around one. Yeah. You know. I hiccup my styles like I pick up the vials. I've oiled and I toil with the blaze that burn. Butter is potent as asbestos tiles that turn. Creeping, kill you slow without a feeling, no. Agonizing, motherfucking defeat. That's all you feel, dog, when you know that we just creep and kill you slow. Revealing though that you just a pain at the end. And it's this beginning of the beat that I'm starting to peel. And how long arms reach to the ceiling just to reveal the zone where I can't start all my healing. And this is my friend, yep, this is my feeling. I need a shrink cause I need a drink. So many problems, yeah, I could barely think. I could only seem to cope when I roll up the stink. Your motherfuckers looking like I'm rolling like a broken saint. It's almost known. I hope I feel better soon. Yeah. Like a dragon, I'll be sagging in my motherfucking pants with the fire on my breath. Don't even test. It's almost known. I hope I feel better soon. Like a dragon, I'll be sagging in my pants, like the fire on my breath. So don't even test. I ain't joking, son, that's the way I sound. If you ain't dig the shit, then don't come around. I lost my soul with the spirits, I get it from the ground. Everything never, yeah, shift till it's found. Man, I know this thing is long. Throw the shots, yeah, like it's ping pong. Give it your thing, that your country, that you got Old Town Road for your ringtone. Gotta get pissed to smack my chest like King Kong. Look into my eyes, tell me something wrong. I ain't a killer, but don't ever fucking push me down. Start stabbing on your neck with this pen like Joe Pesci. I know it might get fucking messy, but this ain't no casino, no gamble. I cut off your hands and tell you this is something you can handle. Like this joint with the gas can on a candle. Motherfucker, it's almost known. I hope I feel better soon. Yeah, like a dragon, I'll be sagging in my motherfucking pants with the fire on my breath. Don't even test. It's almost known. Yeah, I hope I feel better soon. Like a dragon, I'll be sagging in my pants like the fire on my breath. So don't even test. Cause I will cut your love off to call you a liar. I got some anger issues that you can't address now. How I used to give a fuck and now I give a fuck less. How I used to use my breath just to make the best. Treat the track like my life and make it the best. Must be bipolar the way I switch up, I must confess. Makes me feel like a mess, stuck here in this mess. For the ones I loved, yep, I feel blessed. I don't ever need no others in my circle, yeah, big gets fucking tight. That means that it gets me through the fight. Even if they give me strength to make the strong and move along for the length of the stuff that I got in the butt. Don't give a fuck about the haters, give a fuck. I might slap a puck at the face like a shoddy motherfucker and then leave a case. Make your body pop. Drink my beers in the sun for the full day's work is done. Make your money clean and your booze dirty. Then I'm here, yep, it's past 30. So you think that I get a fuck on my face? I don't have no pride, get slapped in the face, taking nosedive. Stupid motherfuckers, get out of here. Ram on. Just chill out.